from Boatshed Algarve aboard a Moody 38 with some very pretty joinery. I am going to start in the galley, give you an idea of the cupboard and drawer space. And then take you through the well-known Moody corridor into the aft shower and heads. It's accessible from the galley. But also, perhaps more importantly, from the sizable master aft cabin. With wardrobes and drawers both port and starboard. And a vanity unit. Following through into the pilot berth, this starboard corridor, of which there is engine access, a little dark to see. There is a photo of the engine in the boat photographs. Moving from the saloon into the forward double cabin, which is a V berth with an infill. Again, plenty of storage space. Small wardrobe. And Jack and Jill doors to the aft heads and forward heads and shower, sorry.